Yes, sir.
Tell me what's going on.
My car it just makes noises, and the engine light comes on sometimes, and then it goes off, and then it comes back on. And not too long ago, I was driving maybe a 7-hour drive. My wheel broke off. All the lug nuts just decided to snap on the interstate. So we had to replace a few parts. And it's been multiple incidents, and it makes grinding noises when I'm driving it. Just the whole shebang. We were just wondering if we could get it checked out to see if it's okay for a 4-hour drive to somewhere and then a 4-hour back. I don't feel comfortable driving without it getting checked out. And also the tires need air.
I gotcha. For sure, 100%. This thing needs to get inspected immediately. So
Yeah.
I can recommend either a mobile mechanic or I could recommend a shop in your area that can take a look at it for you.
Either would be great. Do you know if do you still be able to get someone to look at it tonight, or we would have to wait till the morning?
That I don't know. You can call the mobile mechanics that I'm going to recommend. Maybe they're available. They're out looking for work. That's possible. But if you can't get a hold of one, and if it's last minute and they don't work, what is it? This is Saturday, so they're not working on a Saturday night. Well, then you're going to have to wait until Monday probably.
That's just worse. That's the worst come to worst. But
So I'd be happy to send some information over in the chat. Would you like me to do that here once we're off the phone?
I would love that, actually.
So just a heads up, there's going to be 3 links that I'm going to send to you, and each of those are mobile mechanic companies. And then there's a 4th link that says, use this link to find a certified repair shop in your area. And that one is to find a shop rather than a mobile mechanic. So you can go through these links and then just determine which one's going to be the best fit for you, and then give them a call and you have them come out and take a look at it, or you can make an appointment with the shop in your area. Just a heads up, if you click on that 4th link, you're going to have to enter your zip code, so it'll recommend repair shops in your area. All right, so I'll go ahead and send that over once we're off the phone. Anything else I can assist with while we're on the phone?
I guess if you just know anybody who's looking to sell any used cars, that would be nice.
I'll definitely send them your way. How's that sound?
That would be nice. If there's any Bronco used car websites, that would be fantastic.
Certainly. I'll do some digging. If I come across any, I'll let you know. I'll send them over in the chat.
Thank you so much.
All right. You bet. You're welcome. Good luck, and let me know if anything comes up.
I will. Thank you again.
You bet. You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.